Fridge bins are a great stamp storage solution, but they have one main problem. So frustrating. Well, one solution to this is to stuff your bins up to the brim and your stamps are not gonna go anywhere. As tempting as this sounds, it's not the most budget-friendly solution, but you guys are in luck because I have 2 items that are gonna solve the problem of sliding stamps once and for all. The first thing you're gonna need are drawer liners. Because of the material and the texture, these are a great way to prevent your stamps from sliding down your fridge bins or any type of containers you want to keep them in, really. I cut my liners in strips that are wide enough to fit inside my bins, and then I secure them with some double-sided tape. I have white drawer liners at home, so that's what I used, but you can find some clear ones too in case you want to match them to your fridge bins. I chose sustainability over perfectionism for now, although I have to say that I'm suffering a little bit. Back to the liners, I find that while they help, there are a couple of circumstances in which they are not enough. One of them is when I look through my stamps and, well, I'm not the most delicate stamper, I would say, so that's more like I rummage through them, but this causes stamps to start sliding and it's not the most comfortable thing. Another circumstance in which the drawer liners do not work very well by themselves is when I have to physically take those bins out of the storage shelves I keep them on. So I was trying to look for something that would ensure that my stamps would stay put. Nope. 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 I found it! These, my friends, are bookends and they are perfect. And they're also not that expensive. As I'm recording this video, a set of 14 of them retails for less than $20, so I think it's quite a good deal and I'm absolutely in love with them. I use 1, maximum 2 per bin. I find that this is sufficient to hold my stamps straight and it also doesn't add too much weight to the actual bin. If you want, you can also adhere a thin strip of those drawer liners on top of the lip of your bookends to prevent your stamps from sliding on that too, but I haven't found it absolutely necessary. I add them to my bins with the lip sticking forward, and this way, once I start adding my stamps, it is the weight of the stamps themselves that is gonna help hold everything vertically. Drawer liners and bookends together really solve the problems of sliding stamps, and the great thing is that you can use them as dividers too, and if you don't have a full bin, you can use them to push your stamps to the front for easier access. I mean, I think this is just genius. I don't know if you guys gathered, but I really love this solution and I use it for my larger and my narrower bins too. And if you're looking for more organization ideas for your craft room, you should definitely check out this video right here. Here I share a compact and functional storage solution for your stencils, so make sure to click and watch and I'll meet you there.